Hi students, how are you? I hope you're doing great. Today we are going to make another recipe. In the last video, we made chocolate chip cookies. Chocolate chip cookies are delicious, but they are unhealthy. So today we are going to make a healthy recipe. We are going to make pizza, but we are going to make pizza with cauliflower. Don't worry, I had Maya try it and she liked it. I'll even show you at the end of the video. Okay? So our first question today is, what ingredients do we need to make a mini cauliflower pizza? Here they are.
For this recipe, we need cauliflower, 1 cup shredded mozzarella cheese, 2 eggs, 1/3 of a cup of tomato sauce, a half a teaspoon of dried basil, and a half a teaspoon of dried oregano.
So those were the ingredients. Now, how do we make the pizza? Well, here are the directions.
To make mini cauliflower pizzas, you need to first chop the cauliflower.
Hold up.
How deep can we?
Then put the cauliflower in the food processor. Then pulse the cauliflower until it breaks into small pieces.
Hold up.
Next, take a bowl and put the pieces of cauliflower in the bowl. And microwave the cauliflower for 7 minutes. Allow the cauliflower to cool. Next, add the eggs, the basil, the oregano, and the cheese, and mix until combined. Now take the cauliflower into your hands, make a ball, and pat it down so it forms the shape of a pizza. Repeat this until you fill your pan.
Hold up.
How deep can we go?
After you make the circles, you can put the pan in the oven at 200 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes until the pizzas are golden brown. Once the pizzas are golden brown, now it's the fun part. Put on the tomato sauce and the cheese and anything else you want to put on your pizza. And then bake for another 15 minutes. And then the last thing to do is enjoy your pizza. So I gave these pizzas to Maya. Let's see what she thought.
Would you say okay, good,
Good.
delicious,
Good.
good?
Huh.
So you like it, right?
Yes.
Okay, do you know what it's made out of?
No.
Can I show you?
No.
You don't want to know?
I don't like show you.
You don't want to see? Hi, Cuddles.
No, I don't like show you.
No, it's not show you. It's not show you. No, it's not. It's a vegetable. It's made out of a vegetable.
But vegetable.
Do you really want to know?
Yeah.
Will you stop eating it or will you keep eating it?
I will keep eating.
Okay, let's go get the vegetable. This is the vegetable.
Okay.
Cauliflower.
White tree.
A white tree. So you're still eating it, it's still good.
Yeah.
Woohoo! Okay. Now for the project, okay? So today we are going to continue with our recipe book, our English recipe book. So I just need you to turn the page and write this recipe on the next pages. And that's it. Bye. I'll see you in class. I'll see you in the next video for our next recipe.